Where my bad bitches I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me.
Is this bitch okay? What's up, y'all? So this is Editing Bianca, and I just came in to say thank you for choosing to watch this video. It really means a lot to me. I know that I have not been consistent with my YouTube channel this year after May. I received some personal news regarding a family member, and it kind of put me in the, I'm not going to say a bad situation because God is amazing, but it was just a little blue for me. So holding up a camera and recording just really wasn't something that I wanted to do. And plus the story was not mine to tell the world. So I chose not to, but it feels so good to be back. And if you're watching this video and you watched my last video, I thoroughly appreciate that, because creating content is something that I have always, before I even knew what the word was, I always enjoyed taking pictures. I always enjoyed saying, hey, this is how I learned how to do this, or this is how I do that. So having a platform to talk to other girls like myself has always been something that I'm so thankful for, even if it's just small creator. This platform, y'all mean so much to me. I hope you enjoyed this video, girl, and I'm gonna let it keep flowing and watch to the end. I'll see you guys in a second.
Not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name, play in it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit.
These look so good. My little piglets. Hey y'all, what's up you guys, and welcome back to another maintenance vlog. So I just got my toes done. I have a nail appointment at 12:20. So basically I've been going to one girl to get my toes done this entire year while I've been on my own press-ons. And when I started back getting my real nails done by Jackie in October, I like this girl to still do my toes because I love the way she paint my toes. So I don't know, and I really like her. She's so cool. So I don't know, but I can't cheat on Jackie when it comes to my nails. Like, that's a done data. But I love the way that girl paint my toes. Like, love the way she paints them, because it's not like just straight across French tip. It's like a curve. I love it. So yeah, I got a nail appointment in like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna actually head over there because it's probably gonna take me about 15-20 minutes to get there. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm actually gonna go to the gym that I don't usually go to. There's two of the gyms that I go to in my city. I'm gonna go to that one because it's closer to where Jackie's shop is. Be at my part-time job for 6 p.m. today. I am off my full-time job today because it's Veterans Day. So happy Veterans Day to all our vets out there. If you're a veteran, thank you for your service, and I'll see you guys at the nail shop. Bye.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you.
I am in desperate need of this fill. Did that really happen? Mm-hmm. Oh no.
Someone brought it back to surface after all this Diddy stuff because everybody's hating on Jay-Z right now.
I need to look at that.
I don't know. I was like, oh, how did I miss that?
No, seriously.
You know what's crazy? We won 12 then. Why didn't they say nothing?
You know what? That's a good one. Was that group originally with Bad Boy from the beginning? Mm-hmm. Huh, I don't know, but I don't think Slim can sing. And I've been screaming it from the mountaintops. I don't think that man's a great singer.
They made him the lead too.
Yeah, like he sounds like he has a really bad nasal congestion. I don't know. I don't think he's a good singer.
He just don't do it for me.
No, he doesn't. He's actually not a good singer. I know somebody in the church right now that can sing better than Slim. Oh, I love this song. I love this song. Such good memories.
You've been vlogging right now?
Just started today.
Okay.
I'm trying to do better. I was supposed to have vlog for like the time that I was like with my sister and my friend, but like I did enough just to create some reels. I'm trying to get back into the groove.
The real stuff.
That's a grown woman color.
What's your favorite thing that your mom makes?
So she makes this really good shrimp stew. It's so good. It's so good. It's only like in the summer. I mean, in the winter. Then she makes this really good like shrimp etouffee. So good. These are my nails. Hopefully I can put in a picture of the inspo, but I was trying to change it up because I usually just do like white tip. So yeah, I got this really chocolate. I think it's perfect for the fall, and it does well with my skin complexion. So cute. Love, love, love.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes. Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a hold up. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to make it. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna hold up. He know he giving his money to make it. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit. New titles, if I do they, it'll be Michael. Keeps you spicy, tipping trainy. Yellow bone chick look like Hey Donnie. Freaking the sheets, freak on them please. Niggas been hooked since big old free. I realized that I was a shit when R&B niggas wanna start rap beef. These niggas ain't got no name on them. Wish these hoes stop trying to put claim on them. He come around me, get game on him. If he don't go, then I already came on him. These new hoes sound like my mixtape. Bitches love saying my name like it's clickbait. I don't take shit if they come with the dishes. I don't rock shit if they come in his name. I'm not your better yet, cause don't sleep on me. Look like a lick, then I'm putting the freak on them. All of these niggas is begging to hang. Cause my bitch a young thug and I'm the rich homie. Boy, I ain't finna read all that text, don't know what it said, but I sent that's a bet. Lately my patience been getting real low. Lately I feel like I need more respect. It was the money for me, ayy. He gon' go dummy for me, ayy. He ain't that cute, but he could dress. He's to protect for me, ayy. It was the need for him, the way that it squeezed for him, ayy.
Good afternoon, you guys, and a happy Wednesday. So we are about to go get a massage. So I'm really excited about this. I have not had a massage since May, so I am in desperate need. I try to make sure that I do my stretches after my workouts so that I can avoid, like, you know, back issues and things like that, but, well, lower back issues, shall I say. But anyway, so basically what I'm about to do is just quick little 1-2. It's not going to take us 2 minutes. This is not makeup. This is just me getting my face together to go outside. So, and that just includes basic things. So first I'm going to put on a little bit of eye cream. I usually wear my eye cream at night, but I've been doing better with making sure that I apply it in the morning as well. Just a bit. I don't deal with too bad dark under circles, but I do have deep set eyes and I don't like it to look dry. And then plus the face moisturizer that I use does have sunscreen in it, and sometimes it'll burn my eyes, so I like to just use a separate eye cream to avoid my eyes burning. I'm gonna just be putting on some of this SPF moisturizer by Fenty. And I am in need of a wax. Well, we're getting that on Monday along with the facial. So I've been trying to do better with making sure I'm moisturizing upward and not trying to drag my face down. And another thing I'm trying to focus on is moisturizing my hands too. I do a good job of getting my neck, but I'm gonna just put on a little bit of chapstick. I like put on two. This one has SPF in it. Even though it's like 70 degrees in November. Don't get me started on that. Anyway, this is just plain water. And I'm gonna take some of my leave-in conditioner. Alrighty then. Hopefully these twists last me to Thanksgiving. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna put any earrings in because I feel like he does get around my neck and stuff, and I don't want anything in the way. You know? I love these nails. They match my skin complexion. Anyway, okay. So this is what I'm wearing. These are like in the winter or almost winter. I love baggy joggers and a tube top. You're gonna catch me in it. Okay. So anyway, I got these some pretty little things. So I'm gonna just put this on and we're gonna head out the door. So let's go. I'm here exactly at 12. Very proud of that.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spin that.
So y'all, every time I come out from getting my massage, I'm literally standing up better. It blows my mind how it is, and how like when I walked in, he was like, what's the issue today? And I was like, usual, my back. He was like, I don't know, by the way you're walking, like your gait, it's like you're holding it in your shoulders. Y'all, oh my gosh, it felt so good. And then my glutes were so bad. Like my lower back area is always usually bad, but my glutes were so knotted up. And I try to do my best to stretch after a workout, but girl, I try to make sure I do it before and after. And I guess I just need to be more detailed with them. But oh my gosh, like y'all, that massage feels so good. So I'm gonna go home and finish the rest of my day, and I will catch you guys on in a few days. We have a wax and a facial, and I'm excited about both of those. We're gonna go to my girl. That'll be the end of this maintenance vlog, so you guys continue to stay tuned. I hope that you're still here right now. I really do. See you in a bit. Good morning, my beauties. So we are about to head out to go and get a facial. Really excited about that. I have not had a facial in like at least 2 years, so I'm very excited. I do mine at home from time to time, like a mini one, just to get some things from around my nose. But I'm really excited to be with my girl Gigi because she's gonna get my wax together. That's who I go to get my wax, and I also go to her to get my facials. And she's gonna take care of my forehead as well as around my nose. I love getting facials right around Thanksgiving time. I don't know, it's just like being really beautiful and pretty to see my fam. So yeah, really excited about that. Let's head out. My skin looks freaking amazing. Like, yo, my nose, everything looks so glossy. Got a good facial, got an amazing wax as well, and I feel so much better. I feel brighter already, and my skin looks so even. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little maintenance vlog that I did, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like this video, comment down below, and hopefully I can keep bringing you guys this type of content because this is my favorite type of content to create. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.